Good morning all of you. Myself Reena Mehra, MA English. I welcome you all in this presentation of CCE, and now I would like to tell about something of my experiences that I had in Cynthia. I have been in this institution since April 2007, and working here, it's been a wonderful experience. I would like to thank our principal, Mr. P.K. Rautela, that he has given me a wonderful chance, an opportunity, golden opportunity I must say, to work here and to join this family of Cynthia as a member. I would like to thank Mr. Bhuvan Joshi, that he has supported us in all this session of CCE, whatever we have been doing for these days from 8th November to till date. Whatever we have been doing, whatever we have been involved, I am very much thankful to Mr. Bhuvan. And as far as regarding this CCE is concerned, earlier when it was introduced, we were not knowing anything about this CCE. We were just thinking that it is something different, going to be different, or we were not having any idea what it would be, what impacts it will have. But later when we had the CCE session for 4 days, that made our doubts clear. All of the doubts that we had regarding CCE in our minds, all of the doubts that we had, how we have to judge the students according to CCE, all the doubts that we had in our minds, it was cleared in those 4 days session. Because we have been told that we have been put into such situations, that how we have to manage, how we will judge a person in that. And after that 4 day session, it was means something new was going to start. It has totally changed our lives. We have been told several things. And after that, this session, this presentation session, I must say, from 8th onwards, we have included all the students here from class 4 to 8. We have presented them. They have given presentations here. It was a wonderful thing. I must say that we had given them an opportunity to stand here, to overcome their fears that so many of the students were having. This has given a kind of courage in them. We have groomed their personalities. We have showed them that yes, they can do this. They can be a better speaker. They can not only write over the things in their books only or in the pages only, but they have the courage to speak in front of others. And they can impress anyone, anytime, anywhere. Regarding this, if I would say regarding my own presentation, we teachers have been told that we would also have a kind of presentation. In the beginning, it was a difficult task because we were doing something that we have not, I must say that I have not done ever in my life. Maybe I have done 2-3 times in school, but after that it was a kind of stop there. I have not done anything such in my life. Okay, and here I have got an opportunity to show this. So it would fear in my mind that how it will be. But all of the thanks I would like to give is to Bhuvan sir, that he has supported us, he has guided us, he has encouraged us in such a way that I was a person that I was thinking that I could not be able to give this presentation or whatever. But I was thinking that this person having so much faith on us, he has been working with us for several days, for several weeks, then I can't say no to that person. This was the feeling that I had in my heart. I said means whatever it will be, however it will be, I will just do it. I will not just take back my steps, I will just do it. The kind of fear was there that how it will be. Although I am ready, but will I shall be able to give it the best or not. There was a kind of fear, but I was thinking that once we have put a step forward, thinking to reach the destination we want to reach, we can't ever reach that destination if we are going to take our steps back. So for this only, I just thought that yes, I'll give. If the students are giving, why not? If we are comparing them, it was a kind of compulsion for the students, though they were mentally ready. Though we have made them ready, it was, but even then, the students were having a kind of fear in their hearts that why we, how I'm having a kind of nervousness. I won't be able to do it. But even then, such an environment was provided to the students that they were just free here. They were not having any kind of fear. They were not having any kind of nervousness here. When they came and stood here, it was just like, this student could also do this. This student can also be a good speaker. This student can also be a good presenter. All these things were there. We were surprised to see those students who can't even read properly, those students who used to feel nervousness in the class itself. Okay, they were here wonderful, full of confidence. Everything was there, and it was a kind. I've been in this session. It was just like a kind of, I must say, a magic. That from that day onwards, I have seen a kind of change in the students. They have been working here, they have been here, and the other day when the other students were asked to be here and they were not asked, they used to say, ma'am, we want to go. We want to be there, we want to be a part of that presentation. Not only for that day when we are having our presentation, but for all the rest of the days also we want to be there. We want to see how the students, and here the students, they have been enjoying it. It was a kind of session, though earlier the students were a little bit afraid of that maybe could be, there could be a kind of fear was there in their heart, whether I shall be able to speak or not. So many people were sitting, so many people will be sitting there, and my bhaiya didis will be there, whether I will be, seniors will be there, whether I will be able to cope up with them or not. But when the students came here, it was just wonderful. Something unexpected happened, which at least I have not expected from the students. The first day when this session was beginning, it was a kind of thing, something unexpected happened. I was not expecting class 8 students that they will do at such a better level. But they were superb. And even I was thinking whether I will be able or not to be at their level. Though they are students, we are teachers. But even then, there was seeing their confidence, seeing their presentation, the way they were presenting. It was just like I was thinking whether I will be able to give such presentation or not. They have been given a wonderful, excellent, superb presentation. And as far as my own efforts are concerned, though I had been in this from last, when we had those 4 days session of CCE, I have been involved in this, but I got better chance from 8th November onwards till this date. I have been in this presentation. It was kind of means. I don't know whether I gave my full effort in this or not, whether the people related to concerning this are happy with my work or not, I don't know. But I have given my full effort, and this had been a kind of experience that I got chance to groom up myself, groom up my personality, to show people what I can do, what I am for. And for this, I had been busy in making a file, a presentation of our own regarding various chapters. Though I had been teaching in this school since April 2007, I have been working here as a SST and English teacher for class 4 to 6th. And this had been a wonderful experience teaching here. In the beginning, there was a kind of fear that whether I will be able to manage or not in such a big institution, whether I will be able to cope up with whatever I'll be asked to do, whether I'll be able to do that or not. In the beginning, I would definitely like to thank Mrs. Geeta Rautela, that she had been really very helpful. In the beginning, there was a kind of doubt in my mind, there was a kind of fear in my mind, and she has helped me a lot in that. Time to time, she has encouraged me, she has helped me that how I have to cope up with the things. Even it was a kind of means earlier in the beginning, correction work was also a kind of burden for me, because earlier wherever I have been teaching in, there was the strength was quite less there, and there we used to do the correction work very easily. And here I got, as if such a big institution, definitely it will be having great strength of students in the classes. So it was a kind of burden. I was not able that how to do this, and for this, Geeta ma'am, she has helped me a lot. She has told me that how I must do, how I must correct, because she had been experienced enough, and I would definitely like to thank her. I am really very thankful to her for this. And for this presentation session, I am really very thankful to Principal Sir that he has given us this chance to carry on this CP session here, because otherwise it would have been very difficult. If he has not permitted, if he has not given us the chance, he had helped us, he had supported us in all the ways, all the time, in all the ways possible. Whether it had been regarding managing anything, whether it had been regarding any other thing, I must say, he had given us total support. He has never said no to anything whenever we have asked to. Whenever I have gone to him with any kind of problem regarding the students, regarding anything else, whenever I have shared my problem with him, he has always supported. He has always solved that problem. Now I would like to move on my own presentation file. Making this file reminded me of my school days, when we were students, when we used to prepare our files and projects. It was a kind of flashback, and it reminded me of my school days. When I was there with my friends, we used to sit together, we used to enjoy together, we used to do several things, and making this file for final exams. It was a kind of flashback for me. Though I enjoyed it, it had needed a lot of work hard. I stood awake till 1:30, 12:30. It used to be the normal timing of sleeping for me. And in the morning also, because there was a kind of fear, because there was a kind of responsibility. So earlier, as I am not a very early riser, so being responsible enough, getting involved into this at 5:30, I used to wake up by myself. I don't know how it was possible, but I wake up by 5:30, by 5 means suddenly I used to wake. Even my parents used to say that, is it something different that you are having in your mind or whatever, that you are waking up so early nowadays? It means totally it has changed my life. Though it take a lot of means. I have been, earlier I used to help my mother at all the household works and all that. Since the day I have been busy in this, I have not helped her at all. She used to prepare the things, she used to give it to me. She used to prepare the dinner, she used to give it to me. I just used to sit at one place and keep on thinking that how it could be, how we can manage the things, how we can make this file, how we can make it better than students. Because earlier I have seen that what students have done. And being teacher, we have to do something better than students. Otherwise, what will be the difference between a student and a teacher? So I used to keep on thinking that how it could be, how we can manage. Though it had been being a child, being a student, there used to be some other feelings in our mind, and